Hey, g'day. Welcome back to the channel. I've just recently bought this new machine and I'm itching to get it down the shed and start making chips with it. But it's powered by a three-phase motor. And unfortunately, I've only got a single-phase supply. Can I even run a three-phase motor from a domestic single-phase supply? On a scale of easy peasy all the way up to holy shit balls, this is on fire, how screwed am I? Is it even possible? Well, I could change out the motor for a single phase one. This is a 3/4 horsepower, so a direct replacement is available in the correct speed rating. That would at least get me up and running with the 3 speeds I currently have on the standard gearbox. One of the main advantages of running a 3-phase motor, apart from the cost, is the ability to be able to alter the speed through the use of a variable speed drive. These work by varying the frequency of the motor supply voltage. Normal supply direct from a wall socket is 50 Hz, 50 cycles per second. The variable speed drive works by intercepting this 50 Hz supply and altering it using electronic trickery to a value adjustable by the VSD. So in this case, we can adjust anywhere from 0 cycles all the way up to the maximum set point of the drive. This sounds like a great addition to my 3-phase machine, allowing me to have not only the 3 speeds available in the gearbox, but any speed available by altering the motor speed with the VSD. That's all well and good, but it doesn't really help me with my original problem. I don't have 3-phase supply. So looking around on the internet for a bit, some of the other hobby machinists on YouTube seem to be running rotary phase converters. These use capacitor banks and a standalone 3-phase motor to generate a 3-phase supply for the other machines in the shop. I did some searching around with the intent of trying to buy one, but they're very uncommon and very expensive here in Australia. Another option popped up during this search, which was for a single phase to 3-phase variable speed drive. Yes, that's right, it's actually a thing. Hallelujah! Exactly what I was looking for. These take a single phase 240 volt input and output a 3-phase 240 volt variable frequency supply. The only downside is that I have to change the wiring of the motor to allow for this reduction in voltage. 3-phase wall socket supply here in Australia is 415 volts. Because we're using a domestic 240 volt supply, we only have 240 volts 3-phase coming out of the VSD. When electric motors are wired up to run directly off the 415 supply from the wall, the electrician will wire up your motor in a star or Y configuration, with all 3 motor windings connected to a common star point. And this will be how all 415 volt motors are wired up on the machines in an industrial workshop. In order to run this motor off 240 volt 3-phase supply, we will have to get an electrician to wire up the motor in a delta configuration, which will allow for full power of the motor at the reduced 240 volt voltage. If you're planning on using a variable speed drive on your machine, you'll need a Sparky to wire this part of it up anyway, so ask him about your motor at the same time. So to answer the main question of this video, yes, you can run a 3-phase equipment off a single-phase domestic 240 volt supply. You just need the correct drive. If you like what you see so far, like the video for me, subscribe to the channel and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching.